our healthy cooking show.
Today we're preparing 12 super healthy and delicious granola cups. So let's start.
May, didn't you forget something?
What do you mean?
What about changing our clothes? So, now we can start.
First of all, we need 2 fair trade and organic bananas,
100 gram honey,
100 gram oatmeal,
30 gram chopped nuts,
1 teaspoon cinnamon,
and finally we need some yogurt to fill the cups, and some oranges, peaches, and chocolate shavings to decorate them.
So, what are we going to do with this way too expensive stuff?
What about preparing a super healthy and tasty dessert?
Right.
The left. Okay, let's stop joking.
Okay, so first of all, we need to heat up the oven to 175 degrees.
We also have to prepare the muffin tray, but don't forget to butter or oil it.
Step 2 is to mash the bananas and add some honey.
Furthermore, we need the oatmeal and the nuts, and for some Christmas touch, we add some cinnamon.
You know it's not Christmas yet.
Yeah, well, anyway, it tastes good, right?
Okay, so let's mix the whole thing and then put it in a muffin tray. And don't forget to press the mass against the brim of the muffin tray.
We bake them 20 to 25 minutes in the oven. After baking, don't forget to let them cool down a bit.
And then fill them with some yogurt, and as a topping we use peaches, oranges and some chocolate shavings.
Now we enjoy our super healthy and tasty desserts, where you can prepare your own.
And don't forget to stay healthy.
Bye!
Bye!